Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire Dishwasher Upper Dishrack Assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Upper Dishrack Assembly. The Upper Dishrack Assembly is where you put the smaller items in the dishwasher. The main reason you should be changing it out is if it's rusted and you're getting stains on the dishes. In order to change a part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we're going to pull the upper dish rack out. We're going to remove the upper spray arm. It's just held in on a couple clips. Just going to reach underneath and push it back to unhook it. Once you have it released, you can just drop it down and pull it off. Now we can remove the end caps. There's one on each side. They both come off the same way. We're just going to press from the back, and there's a little locking tab down here we just need to pull down on. We can lift it out of the rail. Once you have it off, we can do the one on the other side. Once you have the end caps off, all you have to do is pull the dish rack out of the rails. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old upper dish rack assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new upper dish rack in, all you have to do is line it up with the rails and slide it in. Just want to make sure both sides go in. Once you have it in place, we can put the end caps back on. To put them on, all you want to do is push them down into the rail. Make sure it goes down all the way. And then press on the back and then lock it in place. This side goes in the same way. Once you have it on, we can put the spray arm on. To put it on, all you want to do is line it up on the rack and lift it up into place. And you're going to push it forward so it snaps in. Once you have the spray arm installed, you can push the upper dish rack back in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.